Today we are currently at Lake Macquarie Wood Point in Morisset.
A 3.7 kilometre out and back trail near Morisset Hospital for Mental Health is a 45-minute walk that has as well a section on the other side of road, a place where you can see kangaroos too. It's a perfect track to birdwatch, hike and run. Dogs are not allowed on this trail. A joy, a nice walk along Woods Point through scrubby gum and red gum forest. You can also fish in the Pomalong Creek or enjoy a picnic at Woods Point overlooking the lake.